gonna try and climb that now? They pulled out? It's like steps. Yeah, there you go, see?
There was a step guy at the bottom. You couldn't see him. But I was driving that boat and I was having a
You can climb. Can you climb it?
over the water.
Look, you can come up high now. Can you figure this out? Hmm? You can climb. What do you think? Can you do it? Can you do it? Hey? Do you not understand? Hey, where you going? Don't you understand? Don't you understand what's going on here?
My shoulder still clicks.
Hey,
But it worked great.
you can climb up. You can climb up there. I pulled it out a little bit. You can't jump. You won't make it.
And he realizes that more is with the bird and he's got to get out of the car. But he's the
Don't you understand? You can step on this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then climb all the way up to the top. Do you want to try it? Hey? Do you want to try it? Try it. That's a girl. Yeah? Yeah? That's a girl. Oh, you can do it. Climb. Climb, baby. Climb. There you go. Bit more. You're doing good. That's a girl. You can do it. Come on. Climb. You can do it. I help you at the bottom. Oh, there you go. Yay! You did it. You climbed. What a good girl. Hey? What a good girl. See, I knew you could do it, baby. We just needed that one out a little bit to catch the last, didn't we? Oh, you're a good kitty. Good girl. Hey, you're such a good girl. You're smart, aren't you? Yes, you're very, very smart. Okay. Was that fun? Was that fun? Was it exciting? Oh, what a good girl. Okay. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye, lover.